Okay, today we're going to be showing you how to gain access to the internal components of the RA-60TB unit. And as you can see, we've already went ahead and removed the filters. If you don't know how to do that, go ahead and watch our how to remove the magnetic style filters. So now that we got those off, next thing we're going to want to do is make sure that we have the power cut off to the unit, as we're going to be exposed to a lot of the wires on the internal components. So make sure that the power is cut off, just to avoid any injury. Once we make sure there's no power, then we can continue. So the first things first is the filters off. Next step is to go ahead and get these side panels out. Now there's two side panels on each side, and they're actually being held in place by two screws, one at the bottom, one at the top. So we're going to go ahead and get these two screws out, and then and same goes for the other side, and then take off the side panels. Okay, now that we have both screws out, we can go ahead and take off the side panels. You can see I've already taken off the right one. I'm going to go ahead and take off the left one. You can actually just grab it from the side on the inner part right here and give it a nice turn to the outside. As you can see, we can go ahead and set this aside. Next step, we're actually going to want to go ahead and remove this bottom panel. And we're going to do so by removing two screws, the two ones from the outer side. We're not going to worry about the ones in the middle. We're only going to be worried about the ones that are actually here on the frame itself. So that's one, and then two on the other side, right here. Okay, as you can see, we actually have both screws out, and now we're actually going to go be able to grab onto the back of this right here, and then slide it out. So it's going to slide right down. Make sure you have a nice grip on it so it doesn't fall and hurt you. And go ahead and set it down. As you can see, now we have gained access to all the internal components. Okay, in this step we're going to show you how to replace a light fixture for the RA-60TB. And as you can see, we've already gained access to the internal components. And if you're not familiar with that, just go ahead and watch the video beforehand so you can actually see how to get to this part. And now that we've gained access to the components, we can actually go ahead and replace the LED light fixture. Now we're going to go ahead to see whatever one is actually needs to be replaced. So we'll take this one, for example, the one on the left. Now we're going to go ahead and follow the base wire to the clip itself. So as you can see, we have one black connector right here, and then from here the next wire connector goes into the LED driver. So we're actually going to go ahead and press on the back of the connector, pull it out. Now the light fixture is ready to be uninstalled, and the way we're going to do that is we're actually going to go ahead and then press on the back of the LED light fixture itself. So we're going to go ahead and press the back of it. As you can see, we just pushed it out, and we're going to go ahead and guide the wire through, and now the light has been uninstalled. And for installation, it would be the exact opposite. We just go ahead and feed the wire through first, like so. There you go. And then all you're going to do is go ahead and place from the bottom now. Apply pressure, snap it into place, reinstall the clip. Like that. Make sure your connection's solid, and the light has been installed. The same thing would go for the other side.